Hello, for today's video is how to fix Instagram messages not sending. Therefore, if you try to go to messages while using the Instagram here and you send something and it's not delivered, it is not sending. There are a few things you can do to guarantee that it will work. First, I would advise leaving this page and opening the Google to check the functionality of your internet connection. So you can simply refresh this and that and check to see if it loads properly. Open some website and do anything. And second thing I'll advise doing is going in here and asking, is Instagram down? If that works fine, then means your internet connection is working fine. And that's a positive step. As a result, you can also need to determine whether Instagram servers are down. If so, Detector is a wonderful choice. If it claims there that there are no issues with Instagram, then it's unlikely that the Instagram servers are down, and that is why the messages aren't being transmitted. Go to the App Store here, and in general, you will search Instagram. And you will just update the Instagram. Nothing on your profile, comments, videos, or other contents will change as a result of this. It will essentially delete most of the files. You can access the Instagram once more after doing that. It will merely sort of reset the file system for the Instagram app. Once it has finished loading, as you can see here, it's still loading. However, once it is finished loading and returned to being essentially installed, you can open Instagram and try sending message again. And in the future, you shouldn't encounter any issues. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe.